In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently remove or uninstall Audacity program from your Windows computer. So if you're using Windows 10 or 11, then follow these steps. If this helps you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and look for Control Panel. If you don't have this program on your desktop, then you need to go ahead and click on Start menu here, and then just search for Control Panel like this, and now you can click on it. From this, look for this option called Programs and Features, and this will list all the programs that you have installed on your computer. From the lists, you can see on top here, we have Audacity. I'll wish to uninstall it. To remove this from your computer, go ahead and click on it. Now you should see we have an option to uninstall it here. If you click on uninstall, choose yes, and then you need to confirm that indeed you want to completely remove Audacity and all of its components. Choose yes, and this will begin the uninstallation process. This takes just a few seconds and it should be done. Now click on OK, and as you can see, our Audacity program has been uninstalled. So that's how you can uninstall Audacity from your Windows computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.